First thing you need to do is you need to type in intervals.icu. When you type in ICU, you can see we brought to the site like so, where you simply want to click on it and sign up for free or log in if you already have an account. Once you enter in your email and all your other information, you simply want to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you'll be brought to this page right here, where you can see it'll just say you've signed up, and you can connect any of these applications such as Strava, Facebook, Instagram, or so on just on the side of the screen here. Once done, you can click on skip this step and actually just save this options like so. And once you exit out of your pages, you can see it'll give you a built-in calendar that you can easily customize, add races or workouts that you've done in the past just on this website. Or if you have it connected to Strava or so on, you can see the workouts will automatically just show up on the screen like here. And if you want to view your data, you can see on the left side of the screen right here, we can actually compare workouts or view power just on this site like so. And it's basically a great tool to just learn how to optimize your running or just training performance in general, just through analyzing all of your data and comparing your sessions and analyzing your max heart rate and cadence, threshold, and VO2 max workouts, and etc.